Fighting Tigers. The first of our Hawker Hurricanes getting airborne. Second appearance at this show by Ian Austin. He's flying the Yak 50 earlier. Spitfire did not win the Battle of Britain. This aircraft did. Shot down more German aircraft than all the other defences put together. The product of the Hawker factory, manager for Hawkers, and basically he took a piece of metal tube, beat the ends flat with a hammer and drilled a hole in them, which meant that you could bolt the pieces. Repairing a Hurricane you could do in the field. What did this mean? Well, it meant that it was there when we needed it. Very quick to repair. Put down other aircraft. The other secret of the Hurricane was designed by Roy Chaplin. And isn't it funny? You've heard of Sidney Camp, the guy who headed the design. It looks exactly like a dumbbell. It's two tubes joined in the middle by a web. So basically it's two tubes with a spar running along the middle of both of the tubes. Now that dumbbell spar, they changed the two-bladed wooden propeller for a three-bladed variable pitch prop. They added self-sealing fuel tanks. And Adolf Garland, who was the head of the Luftwaffe fighters, actually said of the Hawker Hurricane that you could shoot all your ammunition into a Hurricane, you could have big bits fly off it. From the man who tried to shoot down as many Hurricanes as possible. But there's something very British about this fighter. It's tough, it's rugged, it's simple. On the island of Malta, and then held the line in the Far East, in India and Burma. A long time before more very few marked. The problem with the design was the fact that, unlike the Spitfire, which could be developed